iOS 27 is almost here, but before you hit the update button, there are a few serious risks Apple users should know about in 2026. Your older iPhone could lose support, your device could get stuck on the Apple logo, a black screen, or an endless reboot loop. And after updating, some users may suddenly run into activation lock issues and lose access to their own device. Yeah, beta season can get messy fast, so in this video we'll go through which iPhone may lose support, the biggest iOS 27 update risks, and how to prepare properly before updating. And if something goes wrong, I will also show you how tools like AnyUnlock can help you recover access in certain situations. Let's get into it right now. Every major iOS release leaves some older devices behind, and based on current rumors, leaks, and Apple's typical support cycle, iOS 27 could potentially be the end of the road for devices like iPhone XR, iPhone XS, and iPhone XS Max. Now, nothing is officially confirmed yet, but if your device is already struggling on iOS 26, battery drain, overheating, lag, random freezes, and so on and so forth, jumping straight into an early iOS 27 beta might not be the best idea, especially on an older battery. Now let's get through the biggest iOS 27 update risks. One of the biggest fears during beta season is breaking your iPhone. That basically means your device becomes unusable after the update. For example, stuck on the Apple logo, endless reboot loops, frozen update screen, black screen of death, and honestly this happens more often than people think during an early beta build. Usually the causes are things like corrupted firmware, low storage, interrupted updates, unstable beta installation, or failed verification during the update process, and once your iPhone gets stuck, most people panic immediately. The second major issue is an activation lock. This usually happens after restoring an iPhone, updating the system, buying a second-hand device, or forgetting Apple ID credentials after an update. Suddenly the device asks for the original Apple ID. And without it, the iPhone becomes completely inaccessible. That's exactly where tools like AnyUnlock become useful. If you get locked out after updating, AnyUnlock provides tools designed for different iPhone lock situations, including activation lock related scenarios. What I personally like is that the interface is very beginner-friendly. Everything is guided step by step, so you're not just staring at random technical menus. Here is the general process. First, download and install AnyUnlock from the official link that I left for you in the description below. Then open the utility and connect your iPhone to your computer. On the main screen, find and click on Activation Lock related option. After that, the software will guide you through the required setup process depending on your device and iOS version. You will see step-by-step instructions directly on the screen, including how to put your device into recovery mode. Once everything is ready, the tool prepares the process automatically. In supported cases, this can help you regain access to the device after being locked out. Now, important note, results can depend on the device model and iOS version. Some features may require additional setup steps, but compared to random internet tricks, this is a much more structured and stable approach. Now, before installing iOS 27, here are 5 things that you should absolutely do first. Back up your iPhone completely. Try to use iCloud or a local computer backup, because if something goes wrong, you will definitely need a recovery option. Free up your storage. Try to keep at least 15 or 20 gigabytes free. Low storage is one of the biggest causes of failed updates. Charge your battery. Make sure your iPhone is above 60% before starting the update. Remove old beta profiles. If you previously installed older beta profiles, remove unnecessary ones before updating again. This helps avoid installation conflicts. Verify your Apple ID credentials. Seriously, don't skip this. Please make sure you remember your Apple ID password, your recovery email works, and two-factor authentication is accessible. Now I'm curious, are you updating to iOS 27 one day or waiting for the stable release? Drop a comment below and let me know your biggest concern about iOS 27. And if you want a recovery tool ready just in case something goes wrong, you can check out AnyUnlock in the description below. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like it, share it with your friends on the social nets, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any useful tips and tutorials like this in the future. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the upcoming episode. Peace.